Would I buy it? It's Friday again. Let's go see another house with me. So just a bit of context. This is also my first time seeing it, so I will make a comment as I go. It's a 2-story townhouse. Let's go. I will talk about the house details, the neighborhood, but not the full address because I'm shopping for myself. And this one is listed at $799. Kitchen. I think it has been here for at least 30 years. Wow, look at this. I know the owner is Korean, not that do with anything, but they keep the house in a really well-kept condition. Why there's a pole in middle of the living room where you're gonna put the dining table like around it. So the selling point of this house, apart from over 1,600 square footage living space, but also the walkout basement. That's where the money comes from. Why am I whispering? Washer and dryer. Also the hot water tank. Not bad. Rental income is coming from here. Technically, there is a walkout basement, separate entrance, a garden for barbecue, and there is a sunroom. I would call it a sunroom. It is good because you still can enjoy the view, the nice weather, without having mosquito bite. 3 beds, 3 washrooms. This is the first one. It's a bit small. Can you fit a queen bed here? Maybe, but then it's gonna take up all the space. There's a wardrobe. Second bed. Why is it so dark? That is not how you should put a work desk. I know that facing window with all the sunlight is good, but the back against the door, that is always a no-no in Feng Shui, because logically you don't know what happened behind you when you are concentrate on working, right? Okay, next. Oh, we don't have a master bedroom. This room is big, but it's not a master. It's only 2 closets. It's in Bayview, John Street, somewhat near Chamshan Temple. If you know, you know. And they said 3 washrooms. Where are the other 2? Only see 1 here. Would I buy it? I will have to say no. I will have to pass on it. Those I really like the location and the pricing is good as well. Like $799 for a 2-story townhouse with walkout basement, which means you generate rental income as well. But the house is a bit too outdated for my preference. If I buy it, I will need to take a lot of work with renovation and that extra 100K as well, right? Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Happy weekend and don't forget to be kind to one another. Let's go. We are so late.